Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you for making pork loin with plums. Now for this recipe, the ingredients that you will need are pork loin, plums, onion, orange juice, white wine, brandy, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of water. Now at first take a bowl, add the plums, the orange juice, and the brandy. Let it sit there while you're cooking the meat, so that the plums will soak in the orange juice and the brandy. Now take a large pot. I prefer to use my pressure cooker, and add the olive oil. Add as much as you can cover the bottom of your pot. When the olive oil is hot, add the meat and let it sizzle for a few minutes, both sides, so it can take a nice color. When the meat is ready, add the onion and let it sizzle for a couple of minutes too. Now add the wine. Give it a stir. And then add a little bit of water. Cover with the lid of your pressure cooker and let it cook for about 45 minutes. When the meat is done, it's time to add the plums with the orange juice and the brandy. And you have to cook it again for another 30 minutes or so. And now you have to add the salt and the pepper. I prefer to do it in the end, so that the meat is soft and not hard. This is an excellent meal. I prefer to have it with mashed potatoes, or you can have it with rice. If you want a recipe for mashed potatoes, I will have a link below, and I will have a card so you can check it out. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, give thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Bye!